Hello everyone, it's 3rd December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have the world page, which is Imran healthy subjected to mental torture, says sister after meeting him. Then Putin hosts US team for talks on peace in Ukraine. Then Venezuela clears migrant repatriation flight from US. Then lastly, Israeli fire kills 4 in Gaza, West Bank. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have after surveillance approach, government says users can delete Sanchar Sathi app. The very important for a security perspective. Then we have pressure on India, need to secure our trade, says Kremlin ahead of Putin visit. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have government opposition agree to debate Vande Mataram electoral reforms. Again, very important. Then we have Pune researchers find spiral galaxy like Milky Way from early universe. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have high surfactant levels, ammonia and microplastics in Yamuna, says Terry. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have chemical suppressants, not water, can remove more dust from roads, says study. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have police thrown after DMRC blocks MB road without notice. Again, very important. Then we have Delhi traders can now use single window to pay trade license fee and property tax. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have bike exploded in flames, blocked victims' way, says slum residents. Again, very important for security perspective. Moving forward, we have Mamta announces rupees 2 lakh aid to kin of 39 who died of SIR panic. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have Nehru wanted to use public funds on Babri, Patel opposed. Then says Rajnath Singh. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have 2 important editorials. Turn soft spot for Russia into hard gains for Delhi. Again, very important for international perspective. Then we have for green transition, India can fall back on itself. Again, very important for development perspective. Moving forward, we have India's third nuclear submarine soon, trials and final stages, says Navy Chief. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have DRDO successfully conducts high-speed rocket sledge tests. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have how 5 owl eggs were saved and a miracle hatched at a stone quarry in Telangana. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have the explained page where we have understanding concerns around Sanchar Sathi app. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have why cyclone Dutwa caused large scale damage in Sri Lanka. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have credit card customer complaints spike 20% in financial year 25. Top balancing grievances. Again, very important for economy perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.